Surface area and volume of a triangular prism. So the base of a triangular prism is a triangle, hence the triangle in the name. So if the base of a prism is a hexagon, we call it a hexagonal prism. If it's a pentagon, we call it a pentagonal prism. In this case, we got a triangular prism. So I just want to point out the reason the triangle is the base is because, see the triangle right there at the bottom? That shape occurs twice. It's at the bottom of it and it's at the top of it. Now it's a base. It doesn't matter if you turn the thing sideways or whatever way you turn it. The triangle is the base because it occurs twice. It's at one side of the shape, all the way through the shape, at the other side of the shape. Notice the sides are rectangles. Those are called lateral sides. All right, this is look at the directions here. It is a right prism, which means the sides are rectangles, and the base is a right triangle. So there actually is a right angle on the floor there. And it's a 5, 12, 13 Pythagorean triple. Notice that 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared, because 25 plus 144 is 169. So we know there's a right angle down there. And the surface area then, the total area is, there's two triangles, and the area of a triangle is 1/2 its base times its height. Now the base and height have to be at a right angle, and the only two sides that are right angle are the 5 and the 12. So 2 times 5 times 12. So there are two triangles, 1/2 base times height. Plus, there are three rectangles. Wait a sec here, I'm getting ahead of myself. They're not all the same. So I'm going to back up. I've got a rectangle on the side here, the right side, and it's right there. It's 12 by 18. We have a rectangle in the front. It's right here. It's 5 by 18. So plus 5 times 18, plus we have a rectangle behind. Now the rectangle behind, it's a little hard to see, but it's right there across the back. It's 13 by 18. So 13 by 18. So I have to multiply all these out and add them together. That ended up being 60 plus 216 plus 90 plus 234, which adds all together to 600. And my label is yards. So this is yards squared, or square yards. The volume is the area of the base times the height. That's why it's so important you understand that the base of this prism is a triangle. It's the shape that occurs twice. It's there at the bottom and it's there at the top. So the area of the base is a triangle, 1/2 base and height of the triangle, which again are at a right angle, 5 times 12, times the height, which is the distance between the two triangles. It's right there, it's 18. 1/2 5 times 12 times 18 is 540. So 540, and our label is yards. So yards cubed, or cubic yards.